can get this back in my pocket because he's going fucking nuts. So let me.
Okay, so let's talk about this first trail. It's actually pretty good, but what you can't do is get the scent article directly in Raz's face right here. The food is good to put right in his face, but don't do the scent article, because even though you're putting it a few feet away, he already knows what it is right now, and so he's not going to have a lot of interest. Now, he does check it, but the interest isn't going to be as much there as if the trail layer showed it to him from a distance. So show him the reward, put that in his face, but keep the scent article behind. I also think now is a good time to probably start using the shirts and clothing again, something contrasting big that holds a lot of odor. Okay, so let's go ahead and use that. So this first trail is really great. I love the location, lots of shade, lots of green material. He's in odor this whole time. And actually now I think it's time for us to start adding a turn to the track. So roughly the same type of distance that you've been doing, but at the end of that distance, let's do a nice gradual turn. Now, one of the things the trail layer can do at that turn is to put a lot of ground disturbance down and grab that and drag that towel. This is going to tell us how well the pup is actually using odor in how he negotiates these turns. The scent article here was better this time, so a decent job there. Raz takes odor really, really nicely. I love the commitment to the track here, how he comes off odor, corrects, and then comes right back to the trail right here. Really good work. He's following odor. I mean, he's using his nose, so this is good stuff.
Good little pop-ups. That's alright, he doesn't care. Good little pop-ups.
Alright, that was pretty good, but let's do it a little bit further away from a distance. I don't want him to have it put in his face like that, because when you put it in his face, he already knows what it is, and he's not going to be as inclined to check it out. So food and the reward in his face, but the trail layer needs to step back about 10 feet and then show the article. This will generate interest in the article because the puppy doesn't know what it is.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I love this self-correction right here. He comes out of odor and he's looking, nothing. You know, he has nothing here. He has a patch of odor. He just doesn't know how to follow it. And then he corrects right here. This is pretty good stuff. He has to use his nose. That's what's so effective about this training. You know, you're not directing him to anything. He's having to do it all by himself. So really, really great work here.
There we go.
The self-discovery is really starting to kick in. And the self-discovery is everything with puppies. You know, we teach them to do this job. We're not teaching them to track. We can't. They already have this ability. What we're doing is we're teaching them how to stay focused on one person in a variety of situations. So again, we don't want to tease with the scent article like this. We want to tease with the food. The scent article has to be presented from a distance because we want that scent article to be a surprise. Okay, see, notice how when we get in the open area, he deviates from the track line quite a bit more. That's because in this situation, there's nothing to confine that scent picture. In the open area, that scent track hasn't had a chance to really drop down yet, so the pup's using a lot of odor that's in the air. Now, he still did a really, really great job. He's using his nose, but let's try to get back into the wood line as best we possibly can. Okay, Jay, so this is what we have to do. This chair right in front of me is the puppy. And this is how I want you guys to present the scent article. This is super important. What you have been doing is going up to the puppy, showing them the article, and then stepping back and dropping it. Okay? This is not good because what happens is the puppy already knows what it is, so he has no interest. We need to make sure that this stays exciting to the puppy and something he wants to look at. So this is how we're going to do it. You're going to go up to the puppy with the food or the reward. Puppy, puppy, puppy! Show him what it is. Step back, step back, step back, and at a distance of about 10 feet, then show them the scent article. Make sure he looks at it, and then drop it right when he's eyeballing it, and then the trail layer runs. Okay? That's how we need to do it.